And I found it quite difficult at first to differentiate from GMP to ISO.
Right.
Because when you're always working in GMP, you're used to the highest standard. And when you go to a manufacturer that does filling or produces some raw materials which are not under GMP but under ISO, suddenly everything looks wrong, although it is not. And then it's the most difficult part to know how to switch yourself from standard to standard.
Right. Okay. I think probably the biggest switch is actually, as you said, from GMP to ISO, because ISO, you see, actually, GMP was built actually from ISO when it comes to its content. But of course, GMP is much more specific. There is much more of documentation that needs to be produced that ISO actually doesn't require. For ISO, is client relationships and all of that. That is in the focus of
So it's
the standard.
So the happiness and the satisfaction of the client, but by the pharma you don't care about satisfaction, you care about the safety of the client. So the patient may take the drug, he may not be satisfied with some of the results, but it still saves his life because of the quality of it. It may have some additional negative effect, and but the point of the pharma is that the drug does what it's supposed to do.
And in a safe way.
In a safe way. So it's not about maybe the color or the taste. In the end of the day, the safety comes first.
Correct. The patient doesn't care about the color of the tablet. You say, as long as that tablet is going to do what's supposed to do,